Hello friends, welcome back in our channel. So friends, in today's lecture, we'll discuss about our new software that is related to Sabzi Mandi. We'll learn this software complete. We are starting with the just how to create a company. So for this purpose, you have to click on this button that is create a new company, and after that you have to enter each detail related to your company, like company name, the address, city, pin code, country, state, taxation detail, GST number, mobile number, phone, email if you have, website if you have, and the base book starts here, that is 23 to 24. And then you need to click on create company. So after clicking on this, they will ask you, the software will ask you regarding the uh, ID password. So you have to enter the ID and password according to your need. So I have just created this company and I'll show you that uh, what's inside this. So this is the dashboard of our company. So in this, with the help of user, you can create the alternate options, like I have just created one and admin. The both users have full rights, and if you want to change the rights, you just need to click on this button and then you can change accordingly, like a particular user only add the data but can't modify, can't delete. You can change accordingly, like this portion we have already completed in our previous video, so I'm not going to complete this now. And regarding company info, you can check each detail of your company in the company info. I need to open in just a minute. So you need to like if you want to create account here, so I'll tell you the procedure of creating an account directly. So you already know that about the users information, company information. So in this video we'll discuss about the discuss about like how to create a account. So you need to click on the new button. Suppose I'm creating a customer's account and I'm writing the customer 3 here, and customer 2 is already available here. So I have to enter customer 3 and the subject area and whatever you want to enter related to this customer, you have to enter this. This comes under in customer group. And the opening balance, suppose the customer have any kind of opening balance, then you can add the that balance also. Suppose I'm entering 600 and entering as a debit, that means the customer 3 will pay you the 600 rupees. So after adding the all details, I'm just clicking on save button and creating the next customer, that is customer 4, which comes under in customer group, and 300 rupees, and then click on save button. Likewise, I am creating a supplier also, from where we need to purchase our goods. So I'm creating the supplier, which comes under in supplier group. Okay, so the supplier, I need to pay them 499. So this comes under in a credit, and add more details and then click on save button. Likewise, I'm creating the next supplier with the supplier 4, and then it comes under in supplier, and the balance is 899. I have to pay to the supplier and then click on save button. So this is the procedure of creating an account. Now you can see that these accounts are created here. For this purpose, you have to sort it as A to Z. That is, now you can see that customer 3 and 4 is created. Likewise, I'll show you the supplier also, like supplier 3 and supplier 4 is also created. So this is the procedure of creating account. And after that, I'll show you that accounts group. If you want to create the, like you have seen that while creating an account, I have just entered the customer into customer, supplier into supplier. So these accounts can be created with the help of this account group entry, as we have already discussed in previous video. So we'll not continue right now this portion. So after that, how to create an item, like how to add the item in our software. So we'll discuss this topic. This is most important. So be patient regarding this and focus properly. So while creating, like you can see that I have created two accounts here, that is apple and banana. The two entries I have already entered, that is apple and banana. Next entry, I'll show you that grapes. Print as it is. I'm writing like this. Commission, if you want to add like 5% commission on basic amount. Market fees, if any have, you can add. RDF, that is Rural Development Fund. If you have any, then you can add this also. Bardana per nug, like the fruits which comes under in a boxes, and tokari, we can say that. So which comes in this, so like 10 bardana I'm adding here. Laga, like says that labor charges on per nug, you can say that. So I'm entering one as this. Weight for a particular nug is 20 kg. I'm adding 20. I'm adding. So you can see that this is the procedure of adding the items entry. If you want to edit something, so you just need just double click on this, and then you can change accordingly, and then click on update button. So this is the procedure of creating items. And after that, you can see that the opening Ugrahi and closing Ugrahi is 4400, as we have added this data while creating the accounts of customers. So this is the entries of customers, customer 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And this is the procedure of creating the item. And after that, these options like Crate Marka, store, arrival type, all these will create after all these will see after the entries. And Crate Marka we can discuss right now, like the marka we have and Crate Marka we want to create. Like I have two marka, I have two crates I already have created, that is Sada and SVT. Sada's quantity is 100 and the price for is 50, and I'm updating this. And then SVT is, I have SVT is 200 and the price for per SVT is 90, and I'm updating this. So this is the procedure of creating the Crate Marka. And the store and arrival type, Bill Sundry, I'll show you that store and arrival type we'll discuss after creating the arrival entry. Bill Sundry, I'll tell you that how Bill Sundry, like how we can add the if we want to add the extra charges, transportation charges, or any other charges. If you want to add like commission, if you want to add, you can add these types of data into the Bill Sundry option. So I'll tell you that I have just created this option, that is commission, which comes under in commission. And then the types of charges it will subtracted, and input amount of charges as on nug percentage, whatever is your requirement, you can set accordingly. Commission is applied on basic amount. What are like it's all up to your requirement. You can add accordingly and then click on update button. So this is the procedure of creating the Bill Sundry. So I'm just closing it now. So this is all about Bill Sundry. So this video is all about the masters tab. In next video, we'll discuss about the entries, different types of entry. So till then, just complete these topic related to masters tab. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can directly deal with me with the help of comment section. Thank you.